Good evening, traders. This is Daud from Elliott Wave-forecast.com. Welcome to today's video chart of the day. Today is the 6th of October 2014, and the time right now is 4:35 p.m. Eastern Time, and it's 8:35 p.m. GMT. All right, so today we're going to take a look at the 1-hour Elliott Wave analysis of the Euro-Pound pair. All right, and here is the chart that we are presenting. We think the pair has ended a cycle from this peak over here, the X in blue at 80.65 down to this A in blue. So we think this was a cycle here which comprised of W, X, Y, X, and Z. All right, and we call it a 333 or a WXYZ structure. So this cycle has now ended. The pair is now correcting this decline. All right, and we think that the recovery is unfolding in 7 swings when you got 1, 2, 3. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here is wave, all part of wave C of W. So that counts as one swing there. 1, 2, 3. This is the dip in wave X, and you can see the pair is approaching this peak here on this chart. All right, it's almost a 100% retracement of this decline. So we are expecting it to continue higher. Make a new high above here. All right, and then as far as this low keeps on holding at red X, we would be expecting the pair to trade higher initially toward this area, which is the 0.618, 0.764 extension of the red W related to red X, and then from there we can see a pullback because that's the area where your fifth swing would usually end in a 7-swing structure. All right, from there we can get this X wave pullback, but as far as this low here keeps on holding, the pair would be expected to trade higher into this box here before sellers appear and it turns lower to resume the decline, provided the pivot here at this height stays intact in our system. In other words, provided this red arrow stays there. And as you can see that there is a dotted line here on the chart, which means a move up here is shown with a dotted line, suggesting we do not recommend buying into that move up. All right, but we do expect to see sellers in the above area, and the decline should then resume for new lows as far as this pivot here at 80.65 peak. It keeps on holding. All right, so let's now go to the live chart and see what's happening over here. So here is the live chart, okay, in eSignal, the charting platform that we use. So this is W and X, and as I mentioned earlier, the 0.618, 0.764 extension area, and now we already have a new high above here, the high of W. Okay, so in this area, we are expecting this fifth swing to end. That is wave W of Y, followed by a pullback in wave X, which should correct this move here. All right, and then as far as this low here, it keeps on holding. We will be expecting one more push up into this highlighted orange area. All right, now we have an interesting confluence over there. This 0.5 is the 50% retracement of this decline here, and of course 0.618 is the 61.8% retracement of this decline, right? So we have a very interesting confluence at that level there at 79.17. So you measure this leg here, projected higher from here. So it's already the 0.618, 0.764 extensions are already on the chart. Now we can put up the equal legs and the 1.236 extension also, and we can see that the equal legs of WX is going to coincide with the 50% retracement of the blue A wave, and that is a very good confluence level there for the sellers to appear. In extension, we go 1.236 at 79.39 and the 61.8% retracement at 79.53. All right, so you can see there is 5 swings here, which is why we're looking for 7 swings up. We do not recommend selling the pair here or buying into this move up, but we do expect to see sellers in this area when reached, and the pair should ideally resume the decline for new lows below here, and worst case scenario at least do a pullback in 3 waves from the above area to correct this cycle. But as far as this pivot here keeps on holding, we would be expecting more downside in the pair and sellers to appear in this highlighted orange box that you see on the chart. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching it. For further updates and to get a chart of the day analysis and the video chart of the day analysis, please visit our website, which is www.elliottwave-forecast.com. Thank you all. Take care and have a great evening.